Okay, hi guys. So today I will tell you how to get sticker tickets. So tickets are not that hard to get. If you're a pro, it's easy for you. If you're a noob, it's not easy for you. So you know what you can do with tickets. Okay, I just made a sticker video and I was like so crazy. I'm saying tickets everywhere. Okay, tickets. You can buy stuff. So look, this is a feather bee, these all bees. One thing I tell you, because I want to, like, don't waste your tickets on. Okay, I will tell you what to spend on. This bee, if you're a blue guy, combat bee is good for you. Crimson bee if you're red. Tabby bee, this can give you a lot of boost if you find her tokens. That will be very good for you guys. So buy these, and I say don't buy mythic egg because you will already have a good bee. Don't buy this, don't buy this, buy this. Okay, now let's get how to get tickets. So you get tickets by killing mobs or doing quest or doing stuff, and you get 5 pieces. Like here was a ticket. Oh my god, holy starter. Okay, here was a ticket, that stuff. Tickets, you can buy stuff from here or stuff. I will tell you a thing, but don't waste your money about it. Your tickets. If you have this much honey, like very close to these two bees, you can buy them. And now I will tell you how to buy them. There's a place, if you find the red cannon or have 25 bees that come in the mountain top. Here's the ticket shop. You can buy tickets, and I say it's not that useful for you guys, because if you don't waste your tickets, bro. Okay, goodbye. If you're sleeping, good night or anything. Okay, like and subscribe. Bye.